Have you ever wondered how our body fights off diseases? Picture a fortress, with its high walls and vigilant guards. That's akin to our immune system, an intricate network of cells, tissues, and organs, working together to protect us from harmful invaders. In the next 7 minutes, we'll journey through this fascinating system, unraveling its complexities and learning how to fortify this fortress within us. Let's start with the basics. The immune system is like a highly trained army, always ready to defend against pathogens, those nasty invaders such as bacteria, viruses, and other microorganisms that can cause diseases. This army comprises 2 main divisions, the innate and adaptive immune systems. The innate immune system is our first line of defense. It's like the fortress walls, always up and ready to combat any invader. It includes physical barriers, such as skin and mucous membranes, and internal defenses like white blood cells and the inflammatory response. On the other hand, the adaptive immune system is a specialized unit, the elite forces, if you will. It's slower to respond, but it's precise and remembers past invaders, so it can respond faster if they dare to attack again. This is why you only get certain diseases like chickenpox once. Your body remembers and is ready to fight it off the next time. Now imagine if we could strengthen this fortress, make it impregnable. Well, we can. A balanced, nutritious diet is the cornerstone of a robust immune system. Foods rich in vitamin C and E, beta-carotene, and zinc are particularly beneficial. Think citrus fruits, leafy green vegetables, nuts, and seeds. Regular physical activity is another key factor. It boosts the number of white blood cells and enhances their function. So don't shy away from that morning jog or that yoga class. Adequate sleep is also crucial. It's during these quiet hours that your body heals and regenerates itself. Skimping on sleep is like leaving the fortress gates open, allowing the invaders easy access. And let's not forget about stress. Chronic stress can weaken the immune system, making us more susceptible to infections. So it's essential to find healthy ways to manage stress. It could be through meditation, reading, or simply spending time with loved ones. To sum up, our immune system is a remarkable defense mechanism, ever vigilant and always ready to protect us. And while it's incredibly complex, strengthening it doesn't have to be. A balanced diet, regular exercise, adequate sleep, and stress management are the 4 pillars to fortify this fortress within us. So take care of your body, and it will take care of you. Remember, a strong immune system isn't built in a day. It's a lifelong commitment to healthy living. But the payoff, a body well defended against diseases, is undoubtedly worth the effort.